Hello everyone, John Fitzgerald here from Fitzedgear. It's 2020, new year, new challenge. I said I'd link in, which is just to let you know what I've been up to and what my plans are for 2020. So, since I last spoke to you, at the end of the last video, I suppose my plan at the time was to add an extra 100 kilometers to the 24-hour time trial that I'd done in 2019. To do this, I persuaded myself I needed a carbon bike. So I went out, bought myself a carbon frame, carbon seat posts, carbon stems, carbon wheels, carbon everything. Got a little bit obsessed with building up a light bike. With having a light bike, your training sessions tend to be more speed orientated. Got a little bit obsessed with GPS stats. And started to realise I wasn't enjoying my cycling as much as I had done on my old steel framed Fitzedgear bike where I just went out and covered miles. Started watching a lot more videos on YouTube of people who were out and enjoying their cycling, trying to get motivated, and one of the videos that I watched was the GCN show's 1903 stage of the Tour de France where Mark Beaumont and Hank did the 467 kilometers. And I enjoyed every minute of that video. Very soon afterwards I sold my carbon bike and went in search for a old steel frame, and I picked up a 1940s, early 1950s George Stone track frame from Alex in Old Fellows. Thank you, Alex. And that started a whole new plan. So my plan for 2020 is to cover 467 kilometers on an old Pat Racer bike, and basically do the distance of the first stage of the Tour de France. Now, this stage was won by Maurice Garin in 17 hours, 45 minutes and 13 seconds. I can't see myself doing it in that time. So however long it actually takes to get done. He also headed off on the 1st of June at 3:16 in 1903. So hopefully I'll head off at 3:16 on the 1st of June. Unfortunately, I'm talking to you on the 2nd of April 2020. So we're all in the middle of COVID-19 at the moment. So dates and times are a little bit unsure at the moment, but what a perfect time to have an interest and actually build up an old bike while at home. So let's introduce you to the frame. So what we have is the fork to start with. So here's the fork. I've started the whole sanding down of it at the moment. I've filled in the brake caliper hole here in the front and the back, because as I'm riding fixed I won't need front brake, or I might have a braking system. Might be something we might talk about later in the video. Look at that lovely crown there, and the frame itself, these lovely lugs here in the front. And as I said, I've started the whole sanding at the moment, so you can see this has had a few different paint jobs over the years. So we have the steel, the blue, the yellow, the orange, those lovely lugs there in the back as well. Beautiful old frame. So I don't have a working bike anymore, but I have a lovely old frame. So hopefully the next time I'll be talking to you, I should have a working bike. I won't do a video on me sanding or building up a bike. I'll just let you know what I did at the end. Really looking forward to this. Back motivated. A little bit of madness. Going from the lightest bike I possibly could to something like this. But looking forward to it. So I'll link in with you shortly, and hopefully we'll